Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to start the QuickBooks training. So this first lesson is just a brief introduction about QuickBooks. So if this is the first video you're watching on our channel, then we have a complete playlist that you can check out from the description. And without wasting any time, let's get started with this video.
What is the difference between QuickBooks Desktop version and QuickBooks Online version? Because there are two versions of it. One is cloud accounting and one is desktop based accounting. And then we're gonna jump right into our assignments, because I believe that theoretical knowledge is not as good as the practical knowledge. So I'll see a very simple and basic scenario of a company who is starting QuickBooks from the beginning. They want to enter the opening balances, they want to create a new ledgers, and they want to set it up for the new financial year. They're gonna add customers and their opening balances. They will understand about the control accounts. All of these examples, inventory based trading company example, I'll show this, and we will learn through all of this step by step practically so that you can relate better to the scenarios. And then we will move further to our textile company assignment, that is a manufacturing company scenario, in which you learn all the production processes that is practically done in manufacturing companies and how to deal with accounts of that. But don't worry if you don't have any previous knowledge about QuickBooks, because we will go through very basics of it and I'll guide you very thoroughly for each step. Okay, as we will complete through these assignments, we're gonna move to frequently asked questions, that is the crust of QuickBooks. In these scenarios, we cover some of the advanced functionalities that is asked in most interview questions, that is like price list or job costing or cost centers or importing bulk transactions in QuickBooks or merging the ledgers. These are some of the advanced functions that we need to know in order to be expert in QuickBooks. So as you can see that there is so much to learn for everyone. So without wasting any time, let's get into it and I'll see you there.